The ocean is crucial to the global processes to keep the planet habitable for humans. Our drinking water, weather, climate, coastlines, most of our foods, and even the oxygen we breathe in are all influenced by the ocean. In this video, I'll be diving into deeper details on targets 1 and 3 before outlining a few solutions to them. Goal 14.1. Reduce marine pollution. Every year, over 8 million metric tons of plastic enter our oceans. According to tribunnews.com, currently Indonesia's plastic waste in the sea reaches about 6.8 million tons per year, and which only 10% of that actually gets recycled, with the remaining 20% ending up in landfills. With fact, the rate at which plastic enters our ocean is rising, with predictions that by 2025, we will have thrown enough plastic into the ocean to cover 5% of the Earth's surface with cling wrap each year. So, why does it matter so much that there is so much pollution in the ocean? Well, globally, roughly 1/3 of all turtles are believed to have consumed some type of plastic. Marine animals such as seals, fish, and whales mistake plastic for food, and at least 690 marine animals have been identified as having come into contact with plastic marine waste. But now, what can we do to help reduce this? Let's start with our weekly shopping. The plastics we use to buy our fruits, these are called single-use plastics. A solution to help reduce this usage is to use reusable bags. Another way is to replace plastic bottles with our own reusable bottles. By doing this, we can easily eliminate another 200,000 tons of plastic each year. But of course, that's not all. Using fuel-efficient vehicles, participate in a beach cleanup, cut down on what we throw away, support organizations addressing plastic pollution, spread awareness, reduce, reuse, recycle are all ways to prevent ocean pollution. A second key target in SDG 14 is to minimize and address the impacts of ocean acidification. So what is ocean acidification? As our activities has released more carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, most of it has dissolved in the seawater, absorbing up to 30, even 40% of our extra carbon emissions. What happens, however, when this excess carbon dioxide dissolves in seawater? The carbon dioxide and water molecule reconfigure and they make carbonic acid. Many marine animals utilize calcium carbonate to produce their shells and skeletons. But in more acidic environment, they can't do this, and their shells don't form properly. The oceanic food web is now complex, ranging from blue whales to planktons. But despite their small size, planktons are essential to many species higher up in the food chain. If the tiny plant and animals in the bottom of the food chain are unable to create their shells, it will have a cascading impact that will affect the very nature of our ocean. Acting on climate change and implementing solutions to drastically reduce the use of fossil fuels is the most effective strategy to limit ocean acidification. We can greatly lessen the impact to marine ecosystems if we reduce our global warming emissions and control future warming. Towards Sustainable Development Goal 14 is attainable. We can conserve our oceans, seas, and marine ecosystems in a sustainable manner. Biodiversity losses in the water are less severe than those on land, and many marine species can rebound once pressures are decreased or removed. However, reaching this aim will necessitate the rebuilding of marine life as the life support systems, populations, marine habitats, and ecosystems that provide many benefits to civilization from our healthy seas.
So what are we waiting for? Let's help the ocean. Because if not us, who will?